Hello everyone. Have all of you are, I think, studying for this chapter revision I'm doing. So today we are solving few questions. Let's see that what way. This is very basic question we have to do. First, I have already upload with this video this question paper. So that what we will do, that when you are solving this question, at the end you will write or you will check that your answers are correct or not. This way you should solve this question paper or whatever the question I will uploading. With this video there will be in the description box, this question paper will be there. So check first, you solve that question paper, then with the video you just match your answer. So let's start. The first question is, delta use symbol for oxygen and hydrogen. Symbol very easy. What symbol it is? Oxygen means O and hydrogen means H. Okay. We have studied that 20 elements. From that symbol they have asked. Delta is given the symbol. Okay. It is not the molecular formula. The difference you should understand. Symbol it is given for the element. Molecular formula. Next question. Choose the or write the correct sentence. In the question it is written that molecular formula represents element. Wrong, because elements represent by symbol, but molecular formula represents a molecule. So you have to correct that statement by writing in place of element. You will write that is molecule. Next one, molecular formula of water. It is given H2O2. Okay, H2O2 is not the molecular formula of water. The molecular formula of water is H2O. Then what is H2O2? That also you should know. H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. The name is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide and molecular formula of water. Correct statement we have to change here, that is H2O. A molecule of sulphur. A molecule of sulphur is monoatomic. So atomicity we have studied. What is atomicity? The number of atoms present in a molecule. Suppose O3 is a molecule. Okay, CO2 is a molecule. So total number of atom is how many? So in O3 the total number of atom is 3. So its 3 is its atomicity. Atomicity. And based on atomicity we call them as monoatomic. All inert gases are monoatomic. Then diatomic, hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, H2, Cl2, O2, F2, all are diatomic. More than that, all are polyatomic. Okay, polyatomic you can write. If it is 3, you can write triatomic, no problem. If it is 4, tetraatomic. But mostly we use more than 2, it is polyatomic. So for sulphur, what is the molecule representation of sulphur? Molecule representation of sulphur is not monoatomic, it will be polyatomic. Why you know? Because the formula or molecular formula when you write for sulphur, we write for sulphur we don't write only S, we write S and then 8. S8. Only sulphur is the representation of symbol. But when it is molecule, we write S8. For sulphur, we write S8. So it is, the correction will be, it is polyatomic. It is poly. So the correct statement when you will write in this way. Next one, CO and C, small letter O. Okay. Both represent cobalt. Is it true or not? No, it is not true, because CO when both are capital, that is CO is carbon monoxide. For cobalt we use C capital and O will be small letter. So what we will write? Represent CO represent carbon monoxide. CO represents, so both will cancel. So what will the statement you will write? CO and C small letter O, it will represents what? Represents CO is carbon monoxide and C small o, it is cobalt respectively. Understood? Next is formula of Fe3. 3 is valency, it is given. Fe3 oxide is FeO. Can it possible? This one you have to correct. It is wrong. Why? Fe valency it is given that it is 3. Fe valency is given 3 and oxygen valency is what? It is 2. So you have to interchange the valency. Interchange or cross, whatever you want to say. So what will be the formula? Formula will be Fe2O3. Okay. Next question is given, finding the molecular mass of this following. So what is the formula? CHCl3. So what is the molecular mass? First you have to write the each element mass and this number represent that many time atom is present. So what it will be? Carbon. What is the carbon atomic mass? See, in the question paper already given, but without giving means if they will not give, only for those elements which atomic number is more than 20, like chromium, okay, platinum. So these are having more than 20, that you can need from the chart. Other things you should remember. So carbon is 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1, chlorine is 35.5. So how will you write? First you write 12 plus how many hydrogen? 1 means 1 only, atomic mass also 1. 35.5 3 times, or you can write 35.5, you write 3 times. You know why? Because some children do mistake. They do not use that Bodomas rule, while multiplication work should be done in the beginning. That's why I always tell the children that write in this way, then there will be less mistake. Then you add, and when you will add, you will get the value 119.5. Next one is ammonium dichromate. Dichromate. So what it will be? Nitrogen, but it is bracket 2, means nitrogen will be 2 times. So what it is? Nitrogen value is what? 14. Atomic mass is 14. 2 times you have to write. So 14 into 14. 14 plus 14 or 14 into 2. Okay. Then plus hydrogen will be how many times? 8 times, because 4 to the 8. So it is a lengthy. So you can write 1 into 8, or directly you can write. Who are very good in mathematics, directly you can do it is 8. 1 hydrogen is 1. Then 8 hydrogen, it will be 8. Then plus chromium is 51.99, then 52 you write. 52, okay, and 52 will be 2 times 2 times, so 52, 52. And same way oxygen 7 times. So plus oxygen you have to write 16 is 1 oxygen, then 7 oxygen is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I know this is the most of the books this method is not given. So if you want to follow that, this is only I am telling because the children do mistake when they do the multiplication work you have to do in the beginning. So that this is actual, this is one way you can write, or what way? 14 is 2 times, so 14 into 2. Then plus hydrogen is, how many hydrogen? 8. So 1 hydrogen is, atomic mass is 1 into 8. Plus chromium is how many times? 2 times. So 52 into 2 plus oxygen is 7 times. So 16 into 7. So this all multiplication terms you should do first, then only you will do addition. So multiplication works. So 14 2s are 28 plus 8 plus 52 is equal to 104 plus 7 16 ja 16 ja will be 112. Okay. So how much you are getting? Then you do all addition. So how you are getting? 4 to 6, 6 and 16. 16 and 6 is 22. 22, 22, 23, 23, then 24, 5, 5, 25, 2 will carry, 2 will be carrying, yes. Then I've done some calculation mistake. So here directly you do 112 and 104. So 100 and 100, 200, 216. 16 is, and 16 and 8 is 24. 24 and 24 and 24 and 20 will be 34, 44. 44 and 8, yes, 252. 252. Okay. Next one is ammonium sulphate. See here you can write like this, or okay, mention or. I have mentioned or. Okay, याद रखो ये मेथड में करोगे तो आपका ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कोई बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम होता है वो बच्चे डायरेक्टली एडिशन करके वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. ओके. देन बट दिस इज द एक्चुअल रूल. ये हमें मोस्ट ऑफ द बुक्स में यही मेथड मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट वन अमोनियम सल्फेट. नाम भी साथ साथ करते जाओ, इट विल बी इजी. सो अमोनियम, so what it will be? Ammonium. Nitrogen will be 2 times. Nitrogen means 14 into 2. Hydrogen will be 8 times. So hydrogen is 1 into 8. Then sulfur. So this is multiplication terms. Keep it in bracket. Then sulfur plus sulfur का कितना है? 32 plus again oxygen is 4 times. So 1 oxygen 16 into 4. So this is the method. Otherwise it will be very lengthy addition. और आप जानते भी हो addition is nothing but, or multiplication is what is? Repetition of addition. Okay, repetition of addition जब हम करते हैं और उसको ही multiplication हम बोलते हैं. Okay, sulfur. So what it will be? What you are getting? 14 to the 28 plus 8 plus 32 plus 4 16 ja 64. 4 16 ja 64. Okay. Then you add 32 and 8, 40, 40, 50, 60, 68, 68 and 68 and 64. 68 and 64, it will be 132. 132. Okay. Then next one is CH3COONA. So C, carbon is how many? 12 atomic mass, 1 only there. Hydrogen 1 into 3 plus again carbon 12, oxygen 2 times plus 16 plus 16 plus sodium is 23. Okay. So here only hydrogen is in multiplication terms, others all are addition terms. So what it will be? 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 16, 16, 32 plus 23. 23. So what you are getting? 12, 12, 24. 24, 3, 27. 27 and 23. 27 and 23 is 30, 40, 50. 50, 32. Correct? 12, 3, carbon is 12, 16, 16, 32, 23. Yes. 82. Yes. Then potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate is formula is what? KClO3. KClO3. Potassium atomic mass. What is potassium atomic mass is 39 plus 35.5. 35.5. Then oxygen 3 times. So plus 16 into 3. So 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. Okay. Now add. What it will be? 8, 8, 16, 17. 17 and 5 is 22. 22. 2 is remaining. 3, 3, 6. 10, 12, 22.5. 22.5. Okay. So this is all about the atomic. Oh, this one is also there. Okay. This one is same way. Right. Nitrogen 2 times. So it is 14 into 2 plus hydrogen 8 times. So 1 into 8 plus platinum I have given 195 plus chlorine is 6 times. So 35.5 into 6. So all multiplication term you keep it in the bracket. That will be easy. Okay. So multiplication terms will be in the beginning. So 14 to the 28 plus 8 plus 195 and 35.5 दो बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 71 है. तो ये 610 है. तो दो बार में 71 और एक बार 71 और एक बार 71 तीन बार आएगा. है ना. तो इजी है. ओके. सो 3. So this is 213. Okay. This is 213. So what it will be? So calculate. First it is 95. Okay. 28 plus 8 it will be 36 plus 195 plus 213. Okay. Add it. 195 and 213. 8 10, carry 1, 408. So 408 and 36. So it will be 444. So it is 444. So these are the mass which we have calculated. Okay. These all are the mass. So today we have solved 12 question and 13 question is easy question, that why flame, what is flame test or why flame test is used. This kind of question. Remember that to identify flame test, when you see the flame test, they give the salt, when you do with the flame, they will produce some color. Okay. Suppose potassium is lilac in color. Okay. Copper sulphate, salt, copper salt you will take if you in the flame, blue flame, bunsen बर्नर में अगर blue flame जो होता है, blue जोन जो होता है, उसमें अगर salt को प्लैटिनम वायर बोल के एक होता है इंस्ट्रूमेंट, प्लैटिनम वायर लूप, सो उसमें सॉल्ट को लगा के इफ यू डू द फ्लेम टेस्ट, व्हाट इट विल प्रोड्यूस दैट color. Okay, because the who will produce this color, why this is produced, the loosely bound electron, it will, when you heat is a kind of energy, so due to that heat energy, the electron will jump or it will eliminate or it will excited, whatever it will be excited state. So when that electron that produce a flame, a color, so that is the uses of flame test, or that is the reason. Potassium is lilac in color, copper salt blue in color. Okay, so this is all about the only 12 question I have solved. In next video with the remaining questions, so many questions I have already prepared, so I will upload slowly, but you revise. Okay, start revising the chapter, because now October is going to start, so October, November, December if you will do the revision, then February onwards your board exam. This is all about today's video. Thank you for watching, and when you are watching, please subscribe the channel as well as share with your friends. And one very important thing, press the notification bell. So as soon as I will upload the remaining video, you will get the information.